Presenting OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G smartphone. The available sizes are 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The color variants are Super Silver, Mega Blue and Ultra Orange. It comes in 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Designed with 6.67 inches AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and super bright display that comes with 2100 nits peak brightness. Featured with 50 megapixel Sony LYT-600 main camera, AI smart cutout and dual stereo speakers. Built with Oxygen operating system which is designed to deliver sustained smoothness and security with guaranteed support for 2 major Android updates and 3 years of essential security updates. It comes with 5500 mAh battery with reverse charging and 80 watts SUPERVOOC Fast Charging. The box includes phone case and power adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.